Nothing new for me. India is after Pakistan the most favorite country to be in. So nervous था यार. और सही है. After a lot of injuries that I had, I'm able to walk straight. That is good enough. रैंप पे चलना है. क्रिकेट खेलना सबसे आसान काम है.
इन्हें तो टिप्स देने की जरूरत नहीं है. He himself is such a huge source of inspiration. I have just known him for about a week now और इतना सारा सीखा है हमने इनसे. He's a beautiful person. I mean, जो मैंने सोचा था कि yes the fighter शोएब अख्तर जो सचिन को हमेशा आउट करते हैं और हम बोलते हैं कि अरे why did he come on the field? Today I am so happy that he's a part of our cause and I'm just very very happy that he's come across the seas and he's a part of the cause and that's the whole idea. He's here, he's a global icon and he's here to promote Earth 21. He's here to promote how we can save our earth. He's here to promote all of this and I think that's a very big thing, you know, because for someone like him to promote, I think he will be a nice young idol for youngsters. So people should follow eco fashion and that's what he's doing.
Passion with the cause and each one of us consuming planet and we know none of us want to give it back to them. So what all we're asking is a plant one tree. Even across the border, it's not about it's been India or Pakistan or anything else. It's about the global cause, right? And at the same time, हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं Amy, what clothes she's making, what I'm wearing right now, that थोड़ा सा कम consume करो और जो पहनते हो उसको दोबारा repeat भी करो. At the same time, बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए कि recycle करना और take less from the planet Earth and give it a lot and plant one tree at a time. Each one of us has a duty and be aware of the fashion waste. Please be aware of the fashion waste. Don't throw your shirts away after using them once or twice. And we have more than 21 billion. I was reading it last night. More than 20. Please, God said, don't litter your planet. Plant trees and help us out at the same time.
And जैसा कि मैंने कहा, it just happened over a lunch. She said, I want to do something. मैंने इतना कुछ कमाया है, सीखा है इस fashion industry से. अब मुझे कुछ देना है इस society को. And you know, even as actors and models and whatever we do, we get so much love and we get so much from the society in terms of money, in terms of love, in terms of appreciation. And you know, it's really important that we give back. I mean, I think get the maximum from people, and we have to give it back to people, to Mother Earth. And when she told me this, I was like, you know, मैंने हमेशा बच्चों के साथ काम किया है, जहाँ मेरे shows हैं, मेरे ads हैं, they're all children related, and this is a cause which is for our future, for our children. So जब एमी ने मुझे बताया, I thought this is my best. मुझे एमी ने बहुत सारे टिप्स दिए कि जीन्स फट जाए तो उसे काट के बैग बना लो, टी शर्ट में स्टेन लग जाए तो उसमें बच्चों का स्टिकर लगा के यूज़ कर लो. You know, so she's given me a lot of ideas and रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में हमें पता ही नहीं है कि क्या कर सकते हैं हम. And एक औरत आवाज़ उठाती है और सब awareness create करती है तो सब follow करते हैं. Well, now I am planting one tree. I've never planted a tree before and this is going to be my first time and I am very fortunate कि late ही सही लेकिन अब तो कर रही हूँ.